What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of iFishLI. So today's gonna be my first fishing mission dedicated to solely bluefish. I've caught one bluefish this year in Rhode Island on May 1st, which was super early for Rhode Island, but I haven't really done any fishing just for bluefish, so I'm back on Long Island now. Gonna try and get on some gator blues, see what we could do. Hopefully I could maybe break my personal best bluefish, which is about like 12 pounds. So see what we could do. I'm gonna suit up and then head out there. So as you can see, it's a pretty windy day and the wind was gonna be in my face, so just making casting with the light swimming plugs that I'm gonna be using pretty hard. So I'm using my 10-foot Lime Glass Carbon Surf with my Van Style 250. This is my first time using my Van Style, first time using a bailless reel, so it's going to be a little bit of a learning curve. I'm going to start out throwing swimming plugs, like I said, SPs, Swarters, stuff like that. Maybe throw some bucktails and see what we could get. striper. Not expecting this. Alright, so I was able to get on one nice blue, decent bass, and a really small blue. The action at first was pretty solid. I was getting hits here and there, and then it completely died out. So I think we're going to move spots. But it was nice to get on some bluefish again, and it was nice striper as a surprise, and it was nice to get on my first fish on my Van style. So I'm happy I got out there, but I'm going to check out a different spot. We'll see how it is. If not, we'll see. No. Alright guys, that's it for the fishing for today's video. Thanks so much for watching. I just want to go over a few things before the video ends. So it was my first time using my Van style. I really liked it a lot, but it took a little while to get used to the bailless. I kind of got it down at the end. You can see I was getting better with it. But also, I was only using 2 trebles because I was targeting bluefish. When I target stripers now, I usually just go with 1 treble on the belly hook, or 1 treble on the belly hook and a single hook on the tail. But usually 1 treble on the belly hook is all you need, because the way the stripers eat it, if they're on bunker, it's no problem hooking up. But you guys should definitely try using only maximum of 1 treble. It's dehooking fish is so much less takes so much less time, much less stress on the fish, and the hookup ratio is fine. So try it out. And all right, that's really gonna be it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video, and please make sure to subscribe if you guys are new to the channel. It really means a lot.